Hey guys, it's Pam. Finally got to Istanbul. I'm so glad I came. The streets are so empty tonight. Landed here last night and absolutely love it. In the distance behind me is the sea, and there was a ship passing by just now. So I had dinner here last night. No, it's okay. No, I've had enough Turkish tea today. Thank you. There are not a lot of tourists here at the moment, which is really awesome, and I love being here. It's a trip that was postponed because of COVID from 2020, and I'm really loving the vibrance of the city and just walking around. Some of the streets are closed off and it's really awesome. Istanbul's one of those cities which is kind of strange because it lies on two continents, Asia and the European continent. I love just walking around the streets here. It's really fun.
This is a very cool promenade and quite a cool cycling track. It's Sunday and there was a road race and most of the roads are closed, which is really awesome because you can walk freely on the streets and there are no cars. Crossing the street today is really great.
I'm really loving the walk here.
Love these waves crashing against the rocks. The seagulls are pretty cool too.
It's a bit chilly, but I'm really hot now and I need to take off my jacket. I'm walking in the direction of the little Hagia Sophia, which is close to the sea. Just following Google Maps to get down. Just need to be careful and watch the traffic, as I always look the wrong way when crossing the streets here, because I'm so used to looking to the right when crossing. It's really going to be fun walking up this hill again, because walking down is quite easy. The apartment blocks for the hotel accommodation. There's a lot of accommodation here. It must be really, really busy during peak season.
I love the cobbled streets here and the streets are so clean and neat. I'm just wandering around the streets trying to walk in the general direction of the sea.
A lot of souvenir shops.
So I've finally arrived at the little Hagia Sophia mosque, which was previously a Greek church that was converted into a mosque. It is not really busy down here, but the Hagia Sophia at the top is quite busy. Let's go have a look inside the mosque. Let's walk through the grounds. It seems a little deserted and run down, but I think it's still a functional mosque. As you can see, it's not very popular for tourists to come down here and visit. Still quite a cool spot to get some great photos in. There are still some people wearing masks, but most people have ditched the masks. So originally this was a Greek Orthodox church that was converted into a mosque.
Beautifully painted domes.
It is considered a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Even though this is called the Little Hagia Sophia, it was not a model for the Hagia Sophia in Sultanate. It's been a good walk down towards the Little Hagia Sophia.
A lot of stray cats and dogs. At the little Hagia Sophia, you're going to start walking back up the hill to get to the Hagia Sophia. Just gonna follow this road to get up. I'm not sure in which direction it is, except this way. There's like a massive traffic jam everywhere. Wow, this is a very, very busy city. It must be exceptionally busy in peak season. I don't think I'll ever walk past the same street twice. There's cars that merge from all different directions, and there's a lot of mosques. I don't know which way I came from. We'll just amble around the city. Should be fun. There seems to be some order in this chaos to me. I should be walking up the street, but I'm gonna walk up to the main road and then try and walk up to see what's along there. I need to change money as I can't buy anything without the local currency, and there are not many places that take a card for small amounts. Yeah. The people here seem very friendly, almost overly friendly, but still quite a lovely city.
While walking, I've come into this delicious store with lots of Turkish delights, tea, chocolates, and perfume.
So it's eucalyptus and
Eucalyptus and mint. Yes.
Ah, okay. I'm gonna smell the tea first.
Of course.
Oh, it smells of eucalyptus.
Yes. Absolutely. We call it's joke, but we're calling like anti-corona tea, you know.
Anti-corona tea.
Yes.
Oh, it's very delicious. It's very hot, but very delicious. Is your tea always, do you drink it this hot?
Yes, of course, absolutely.
Lots of delicious Turkish delights here, all
Made from honey.
local.
Yes.
I just got to Istanbul, so I'm still looking at all the things before.
Yes, and you must try this because we have a lot of.
There's just so many different types of tea here. Oh, cinnamon.
Yes, cinnamon.
Do you have cinnamon tea?
Cinnamon tea we have
No.
because
These ones are similar to the Georgian sweet, with the nut inside and the outside is
yes,
sweet.
like that. Because this dates also from Palestine. It's
Okay.
not
What do you call this one?
like date with walnut.
Oh, is it date?
Yes,
And a
this
nut
dates,
inside and walnut.
This one and walnut. Also, we made figs with walnut
Oh,
because most of
That's
Arabian
coconut.
customers like that. They like this kind of dry fruits.
wow,
Also,
there's so
this-
many things.
We have a lot. We have oil perfumes made from flowers, essential. We
Sure.
have alcohol, we have scallops.
I definitely want to get a box of this at some point and try it.
Also, we have chocolate with nuts.
I'm not a chocolate person, but I have to buy gifts, so I'll come and look to buy gifts.
Yes, you must buy gifts because when
There's so
people
many
go
things
to
here to
somewhere,
buy.
You know,
Yes.
cousins or your family. Need
How much
some-
are these boxes?
This box we sell like 80 lira for one box. All same price.
80.
80 lira. Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Would you try
want-
some baklava? Can you
The
just
variety of
some-
baklava looks so good.
What flavor baklava is this?
This one with pistachio.
Thank you.
Okay.
Your baklava is very sweet for me.
But it's delicious. It's
Mm.
delicious.
It is delicious.
Yes, absolutely.
Do you make them here? No.
No, we buy them. We have all fabrics. And also we have dry baklava because this one is with honey. It's sweeter than this because some
And it's
Kind of
oh, it's
people.
280 per kilo.
same like Turkish dollar, but this one is different. This will sell like 480 lira for one. But this one is dry because some customers don't like sweet. This one is perfect place.
And this, what is this?
This one also kind of baklava, but inside it's pistachio and helva.
I want to get some halwa as well.
Yeah, also
I'm gonna take a lot of stuff back when I go, and they're all gonna be sweet.
yes.
Let's carry on with my walk up the street. And I come to this square with the obelisk in it, walking towards the Blue Mosque. Cornstarch gives Turkish delights its distinctive chewiness. The Hagia Sophia store is the oldest local store selling Turkish delights in Istanbul, and there are 5 such stores in the city. And further along is the Hagia Sophia. The queues are so long here.
So that's basically the Hagia Sophia in front. There's such long queues everywhere.
The city's become a lot busier than when I started this morning. I really must come back to do some shopping here.
Wow, there's so many people everywhere.
Thanks for coming along with me. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch my next vlog on some popular sites in Istanbul.